Hi guys, I'm Yusuf Mohammed Bashir. Welcome to Master Clip. Today's tutorial, I'm going to be talking about video editing. So now, let's get into my screen. For this particular tutorial, we're going to be discussing how to add effects to our video, how to add transitions, how to speed our video up or slow it down. So, first things you want to do is, of course, you want to have a particular video you're going to add your effect to. So let's say this particular video. So what you want to do is click on the video and then go to your source monitor. Under the source monitor, if you click on this particular part, you can see the effects control. So what this does for us is, under this effects control, we can see the various things that we can do. We can change the scale. So let's say this video seems a bit too wide for me and I wanted to zoom it up a bit. I can increase the scale. So you see what happens. If I increase the scale, it goes in, it goes out. If I go too much, so you can see the black screen around me is I'm over extending it. So let's say I wanted to, let's just put up, this is perfect for us. So now we've done that. There's also the positioning. You can move it to the left, to the right. You can also move it up or down. So this particular tool gives us so many things: the rotation, opacity, and so many different things you can work on. So that is one part of the effects. Also, if you come back to the project panel, under the project panel, if we come here, we can also see effects. So under this, we can see video effects, we can see video transition. Under video effects, there's so many things you can do. You can blur, you can key, and all those things. So for this particular video, let's focus on the transitions. Let's say we wanted a smooth transition in one of our videos. Let's say, so one of the popular ones is cross dissolve. So under this, you can see the cross dissolve. When it comes to transitions, you have to understand that it has to be in between two particular videos. So let's say I wanted to go from this establishing shot to this part in the woods, and I wanted to create like a nice cross dissolve transition. What do? I just drag the cross dissolve over here and I put it in between this particular video. So now when I play it back, you're gonna see it just smooths it in. Also, what you can also do, that you can also increase or decrease the length of the transition. Of course, if I did this will be too much because it's going to take a long while, but it depends on the effects. Like look at this particular part, it just has that beautiful effect to it. But for this particular one, I think it's enough like this. So this is a perfect transition that we can use to go from the establishing shot to them in the woods. So I mean, there are so many other effects and transitions you can play with, but that is just one of the key ones that you're most likely going to use, because when you watch a lot of videos, you see that particular cross dissolve used a lot of times. Another particular effect that we can use, we can speed up our video, we can slow it down. So let's say let's play with this particular one. So what I usually do is the Control R, you can see the speed. So you can also reverse the speed. Let's say you wanted it to go backwards, from forward to back and back to forward. You can do that as well. And you can also change the percentage of the speed. Let's say I wanted to make this a bit faster. I can click on 200, click on OK. Now you see the length of the clip is shortened because now it's going to be faster. So now when I play this, you can see it's a bit faster than it was before. If I press the Ctrl Z, you can see the difference. Here it's in slow motion, very sharp too. But let's say for the particular effect or the particular feel or vibe I was going to, I wanted this part to be a bit faster. Like I said, Ctrl R, I'm going to change to 200 and click, and now from the slow it goes a bit faster. Also, the same way you increased it, if you go back, you can also reduce it. Let's say I wanted to take this from 100 to 50 to make it more slower. I can do that as well. Now you see the clip, the length of the clip has increased again. So when we play this, it is way slower, but this is too slow, and it's not perfect for this particular clip. So let's just go back and put it on 100. 100 is the particular speed for this particular clip that makes it in the perfect way. But yeah, I'm just trying to, this is the point of the tutorial, to just show you how you can do this. So those are the two key ways you can add effects. You can add the effects from here under the project panel, and you can also click on the clip like we said at the beginning and come here under effects control, and you can play with so many of these tools over here. Thank you very much for watching this particular tutorial. Please make sure you tune into the next episode where I'm going to be talking about how do we add text. Text is a very important part of video editing. So how do we add text to our videos? That's going to be shown in the next episode. Once again, this tutorial was brought to you by Masterclip. Thank you very much.